Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we'll be comparing two popular air fryer models, the GoWISE USA Digital Air Fryer and the COSORI Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. Make sure to like this video, comment down below which one you think is better, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. In terms of design, both models boast a sleek and modern touchscreen display. However, the GoWISE USA Digital Air Fryer has a more minimalist look, while the COSORI Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo has a larger capacity and is made with durable food-grade stainless steel material. Overall, it comes down to personal preference. The GoWISE Air Fryer has 8 preset cooking options including fries, chips, pork, chicken, steak, shrimp, cake, fish, and pizza. It also comes with a basket divider accessory that allows you to cook 2 meals at once. On the other hand, the COSORI Air Fryer offers more than 12 functions, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, and toast, with a larger capacity that can hold up to 6 slices of bread, a 12-inch pizza, or 5 pounds whole chicken, giving you more options to cook for your family efficiently. The COSORI Air Fryer comes with a smartphone app called VSync that allows you to control the oven with your phone or voice command using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. However, the GoWISE Air Fryer has a built-in alarm that reminds you to shake your ingredients in 5, 10, and 15-minute increments, giving you a convenient option that requires no additional setup or equipment. Both products offer different features and capacities, which is reflected in their prices. As of today's video, the GoWISE USA Digital Air Fryer is priced at $73, while the COSORI Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is priced at $159. Keep in mind that prices may vary, so make sure to check the latest pricing online to make an informed decision. And that's our comparison of the GoWISE USA Digital Air Fryer and the COSORI Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. Both models have their unique features, and it ultimately comes down to your personal needs and preferences. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.